So I just created a new Google Doc, and I actually have already kind of started it. But just as an example of a way to use a Google document as kind of a discussion board or almost like a chat room, really, with your students. So you could set it up something like this. I just did a quick table where they can type in their name, and then we can go from there. If they have a question, I can type an answer so that different students can see other questions that have already been asked if they have that question too, almost like a frequently asked question. And then we can have a little discussion board where they have to um, remember to type your name before whatever they want to say. But anyway, so I have this, and then in my classroom, I can treat it like classwork so that I'm able to share it where everyone has editing rights. So I'm going to create an assignment, and I'm just going to get rid of all of that. I'm going to say that this is our class discussion board, and I'm going to attach that once it comes up. And I'm going to make it so that students can edit the file, not make a copy for each student because then they're each having their own, unless you want to do that, but then you're checking in on 25, 35 different documents. But I'm going to make it so that students can edit the file. Now, of course, I'm going to have a conversation with them via the chat. I'm going to click assign, where they know that they're not going to just be that I can see who's doing what. You can always come back to here and click on file version history and then see version history, and any changes that are made, you'll know which student did them so you can kind of go back. But really just trying to have an open line of communication so that they know that there's a place that they can go to and not be inappropriate. So use it at your peril. You can also use discussion boards within Google, within Canvas, and a lot of different apps. But this is one way to use a Google Doc as like a discussion board or a chat room. The end.